We're standing in the middle of a miracle here in Port-au-Prince, Haiti, where God has provided for us. After 6 years of producing La Bonne Nouvelle, the Good News television show, we have 65 episodes. And it's been wonderful the last 3 years to be on 13 stations, because we have now not only 65 episodes of television shows where we preach the gospel in different parts of Haiti, but we now have a connection to 90 television stations in Haiti. So God has provided for us. Not only do we have 65 shows, but we have 100 sets of 65 shows. So we have 90 stations that we're going to deliver 65 episodes. There's 6,500 DVDs here. We've been working all day long. This is going to be about an 8-hour job by the time we get done, but we're boxing up 90 boxes with 65 episodes of La Bonne Nouvelle. We are literally blanketing Haiti with the gospel. It's because of your prayer and your giving that has enabled us to be able to reach as many Haitians for Jesus Christ as we have in the last 6 years with La Bonne Nouvelle. The year 2012 is coming up. We're praying how we're going to ramp up our ministry. We're going to continue to go have crusades in these towns. We're going to continue to film for La Bonne Nouvelle, but we need your help because we're still driving a 95 Toyota Land Cruiser, which is very old now, and it has mechanical issues. Sometimes it takes as long as 8 hours to get to one of these places. We have flat tires, we have issues with mechanical issues where we sometimes have to bring a mechanic along with us to even help us. So please pray that God will provide for us so that we can have a vehicle that would be reliable to go into these areas in the coming year, and that He would continue to provide for us as He has. We give thanks to God. We give Him the praise. We give Him the glory for the great things that He has done, for the thousands of Haitians that have come to Jesus Christ. Let's pray that that continues to happen. And thank you for praying, and thank you for giving.